Have you ever wanted to use Claude Code without paying for a subscription? Well, there's now an official way to get premium Claude access completely free, and it even includes Claude Code. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to claim it, who's eligible, and a few important things you need to know before you apply. So make sure you watch until the end. Let's get started. Anthropic, the company behind Claude AI, has officially launched a program that gives eligible users free premium access to Claude. This isn't a limited time trial or a hacked method. It's a legitimate offer directly from Anthropic. With this offer, you get premium Claude access with higher usage limits, access to the latest Claude models, and Claude Code without paying for a subscription. So, how do you claim it? First, visit the official Claude for Teachers page. Sign into your Claude account, or create one if you don't already have one. Next, click on Get Verified. You'll then be asked to verify your eligibility through GoodStack. After submitting your information, verification usually takes less than 24 hours, although it can sometimes take a few days. Once you're approved, your Claude account is automatically upgraded, and you can start using the premium features, including Claude Code. Now, here's the important part. At the moment, this official program is available for verified K-12 educators in the United States. That includes teachers, school staff, instructional coaches, librarians, and administrators working at eligible schools. If you're already paying for Claude Pro and qualify for this program, Anthropic says you'll receive a prorated credit for your remaining subscription. Also, if you verify before June 30th, 2027, you'll receive at least 1 full year of free premium access. Even if you're not eligible today, it's still worth keeping an eye on this program, because Anthropic may expand it to more countries or user groups in the future. I'll leave the official application link in the description below so you can check your eligibility yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell because I regularly share free AI tools, software deals, and the latest AI updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.